morning. How are you all? Fine? Okay, so children, today we are going to study subject grammar of class 1. Okay, so children, in the previous lecture we have completed our lesson number, chapter number 11, doing words, right? So now we are going to study chapter number 12. What is the name of the chapter, children? Being words. Right, children? In the previous lecture we have studied about the doing words. So first of all, tell me what are known as doing words. Doing words means when the action takes place, right? When the action takes place, word like talks and this all are things and verbs that tell us about the action which is going to happen or which action is taking place at what time, right? So now from today we are going to start our lesson number 12. So take out first of all page number 48. Have you opened it, children? Okay, so now see here on the page number 48. First we will see the definition, okay? Verbs are doing words and being words. See in your book first line, verbs are doing words and being words. So what the verbs are? Children, here what we are going to learn, verbs are doing words and being words. Why verbs are known as the doing words and being words? They tell us how things are or what someone or something is like. So they tell us, what tell us, verbs जो होते हैं वो हमको क्या बताते हैं कि कौन सी चीज और कौन सा इंसान किस तरह से है और किस how the things are taking place, okay, and how the things action takes place, okay. So what we are going, they tell us how things are or what someone something is like. समझ में आ रहा है? Are you understanding? Now being verbs have many forms and there are some common rules for using them correctly. So now being verbs कैसे है? Being words के बहुत सारे forms है. They have so many forms, right? So there are some common rules. Common rules है उसको use करने के लिए how we can use being verbs, right? So we will start here. So first rule, what is it? First rule is use am with I. Okay? We will always use जब sentence में when it is given am, what we will use I. Whenever in the sentence it is written am, we will always use I. Why? Because we are talking about ourselves, right? So here with am we will always use I. And second rule is, this is our first rule, to use am with always I, right? Now our second rule is he, she, it. We will always use is with singular nouns, right? He, she, it. Here if it is name of a boy, means, for example, here it is written Rohit in the sentence. You have given, right? So with Rohit, what we will use is. Why is? Because here we are talking about one boy, only one person, right? And next, it is she. If it is written in the sentence she, right? Like this. Okay. Like this it is written she. So what we will use is. Instead of she, if it is name of a girl, okay, Janvi, right? Okay. So here again what we will use is. Why? Because it is the name of a girl. Only one girl is there. So what we will use is, right? And it means when we are talking about things or animals, right? If it is here a table, right? So what we will use is, right? Or any dog or any cow, animal name is there, then also we will use here is. Okay children, so clear up till here. And now our third rule is we, you and they. In plural nouns, we will always use are with we, you and they. These are plural nouns, right? So here with them, these things we are going to use are. When in the sentence you have given we, at that time what we will use are. Or two names are given or two things. More than one thing is given, so what we will use are. For example, Nina and Ravi are playing, right? Why we have written here are? We use are because here we are talking about the two persons. Okay. So what we will use here? Are. Understand? Now see on the page number 49 here. Underline the correct word. Right. See in your book what is given first number. I bracket is am. Okay. A good girl. What is given again? See here. I in the bracket is and am. A good girl. So what we will use with I, children? I have already explained you. When in the sentence it is given I, we will always use am, right? So what our answer will be? I am a good girl, right? Are you understanding? Yes. Again, see, I am a good girl. Why am? Because here it is given I. Understood? Come on. Now see second number. What is given? You in the bracket are or is given, right? Very tall. Now you means we are talking about the second person, right? So you means it is plural. Okay, so what plural noun? We are using are. Understand? We are using are with the plural nouns. So here you are very tall. Again I am repeating, you are very tall. Why here are comes? Because in the sentence it is given you. Understand, children? With the plural noun we will always use are. Now third number. They in the bracket is or are studying to be doctors. Now again here it is given they. What I have explained you, when in the sentence there is we, you and they. Plural nouns, what we will use? We will always use are with this sentence, right? Again, see, they are studying to be doctors. Understand? See, they are studying to be doctors. We are talking about the third person. वो लोग पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं क्यों? क्योंकि उनको डॉक्टर बनना है. So here we are talking about two persons, right? So they are studying to be doctors. Understand? Now see fourth number. The toys in the bracket are is in the cupboard. Now tell me, here it is toys. Toys means so many toys or one toy? So many toys, right? One toy, two toy, or more than two also there, right? So here it is toys. Means it is plural nouns, right? So many toys are there. That's why this is plural noun. So what we will use? The toys are in the cupboard. Understand, children? Now see fifth number. We in the bracket is or are in the same class. Now what it is given? We. Right? We means it is plural noun, right? We means you and I. Okay. So we are in the same class. You tell to your friend that we both are in the same class, right? So we will use are in the same class. Understood? Now see sixth number. She in the bracket am or is my friend. So with she means only one girl, right? She is my friend. Only one girl is there. So what we will use here is. Understood? It in the bracket is or am a big house. So here it, we are talking about a house. So it is a thing. So it is a big house. Understood, children? Why is there? Because here it is it and we are talking about one house. Understood? Yes. Now see, the flower in the bracket are is beautiful. Now here it is flowers. Flower, okay. अगर यहाँ पे flowers होता तो हम क्या यूज करते? are. समझ में आ रहा है? But यहाँ पे flower है. We are talking about only one flower, right? So here our answer will be is. Understood, children? Okay. Now see next. See in your book 9 number. He in the bracket is or am sleeping in his bed. Now he means again here singular, right? We are talking about one boy only. So what our answer will be? He is. Okay. Now see see 10 number. You in the bracket am or are looking happy. So what we are using with you? Come on, tell me children. Yes, very good. We are using are. Understand why? Because it is plural now. So you are looking happy. Now see 11 number. The rabbit in the bracket is am hopping across the garden. Right? So the rabbit. Okay, we are talking about animals. So what we will use? The rabbit. It is only one rabbit. Okay. So rabbit is. Our answer will be the rabbit is hopping across the garden. Okay, did you understand? Now see last number. They in the bracket am are going to the market. With they, what we are using? Again it is plural noun. So what we will use here? Are. They are going to the market. Okay children, clear up till here? Now see, turn the page. Take out page number 50. So here we have given some pictures, right? So we have to find out that which action is they are doing, right? So see the heading, look at each picture, complete the sentences by writing who or what the following are. One has been done for you. Okay, so first one they have given to us. How we have to write? They are dancers. Why here it is they? Because there are two dancers, right? One and two. More than one person, so it is plural, right? So they are dancers, right? They are dancing. Two people are there, that's why they, and with they, what we are using? Are. So they are dancers. Why dancers? We will use S in the last because there are two dancers. So we will use here dancers. Now see second number. I blank. We have given I blank. Okay, so here next picture is of teacher. What teacher is doing? She is teaching. So she is talking about herself. If I will say I am a teacher. Okay, so what I will use with I will use am. Okay, so I am a teacher. Understand? Now see third number. He. A girl. What girl is telling? He is a doctor. He is a one. Only one doctor there is. Okay, so what we will use? He is a doctor. Now we are soldiers. See here you can see the picture of the soldier. Can you see children? Yes. So what they are telling us? We are soldiers, right? Now see fifth number. You are a nurse. A girl is telling to nurse that you are a nurse. Understood? Now what is the next picture? A girl is singing here, right? So I am a singer. What a girl is telling? That I am a singer. She is blank. So what we will write? Girl, what a girl is telling? That another girl is painting. So what here it will come? She is a painter. And the eighth last number is they are student. Boy is telling that there are so many students, right? Here we will use are. Why? Because there are many more students. Okay children, clear up till here? Okay, so we will meet in the next lecture. Till that, bye bye. Thank you.